welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so if that's what you're into, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright, you guys, so let's go ahead. I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna put my lippy on. This is the Moira Lip Goddess lipstick in the shade Angelic. So, there we go. I feel like this will be a perfect lip color for the palette that I'm using today. Okay, so today's palette is going to be the Alter Ego Daylight palette. I've had this palette for a couple weeks. I just haven't had a chance to film with it yet. This packaging, see this right here? This is my dream. This is what I hope for every day of my life. A cool, beautiful, amazing fall day. And it happens maybe 2 days where I can enjoy it out of the whole year. Every year. And here's the insert of this palette. So this is a dupe for the Natasha Denona I Need a New Palette. I Need a Nude palette. Of course, I don't have the Natasha Denona palette. I have one Natasha Denona palette. They're absolutely beautiful. The quality is awesome. Sorry, I'm trying to turn my phone off so it doesn't make noise. But they're very expensive, and if I'm gonna spend my money, I would rather spend it on like an indie brand. Just because, you know, those are usually more colorful and whatever. But I am definitely getting into more boring looks. Not that I really like it, but just my life is so stressful and crazy that doing colorful looks I can't really do during the week. So I kind of am finding more places for palettes like this in my life. And this is absolutely beautiful. There's nothing wrong with it. So for time's sake, I've got a lot going on. It's later in the day. I had to wait till my husband woke up to begin to start filming, so I did not bother him, wake him up, all the things. So we're probably just going to do the same look. We're just going to do the same look with both eyes. Because again, this is just a very basic look. I mean, could you really do different looks? Yes, but are you really going to be able to get much of a difference out of it? Not really. So, we're just going to do the same look. So, let's start with the shade Fresh. This is just really, really pretty. But yeah, we're back to it being like hot and gross here again. So, anytime I see anything fall, like my heart just longs for cool weather. I want to wear my hoodies. I want to wear my flannels. I want to be outside. That literally all it takes to make me happy. Cool weather, hoodies, flannel, outside. That's it. That is it. And those are like the three things I can never have because it just doesn't really get cool here. And it goes from like a couple nice days to like freezing cold winter. But honestly, I'm to the point where I'm so disgusted with summer and this hot weather. Bring on the freaking snow at this point. Like, I don't care. I just hate summer. I hate sweating. I hate just feeling gross and disgusting. It's not good for anyone, you know? And I've had it. I have had it. I've had enough hell for this year. Just let me have a little ounce of happiness, you know? Like, just a little bit. That's all I'm asking. And it is always asking way too much, and it sucks. Yeah, my husband and I desperately would love to move away. But those places where the weather is better, they are very expensive. And, yeah. So anyway, here we are. I don't know. I just don't get it. I don't understand life. I don't know. But anyway, hopefully maybe one day we can make it to a place where it's more enjoyable. But I'm starting to think like this might be it for us, and it's not good. All right, let's go with the shade Coffee. Let's deepen that crease. Yeah, you guys, I just like want fall so badly, but like I work all the time, so it's like we say we maybe get 3 weeks of fall weather. Sophie's feeling better if you can't tell. She's outside. I have no idea what she was just barking at. I don't see anything. Yeah, so I work all the time. So, there's 3 weeks of fall weather. So weekends I get maybe a day. So that's about 3 days that I can enjoy the fall weather that I so desperately need. So it sucks. It sucks, you guys. And like, I can't really take off. I mentioned in a couple of videos ago, which I have no idea when they'll go up, but my coworker's brother passed away, and she was like on vacation when it happened. So she'd been gone like a week and a half, and then she'd been gone like another week at this point. My boss was like, well, I don't know when she's coming back. And I'm just like, dang, must be nice to, and you guys, her brother passing away is a horrible thing, but if my brother passed away, I wouldn't get unlimited vacation days. I wouldn't be able to just be gone after there were tasks that I was supposed to have been done that weren't done, and then there were deadlines coming up. And if it were to be dumped on someone else, hi, I'm someone else. Yeah, that wouldn't fly. I would be getting phone calls left and right. My boss would be like, yeah. I would not get those luxuries, and I don't know any other job where you could do something like that and still be employed. But anyway, yeah, y'all know about my job, so I'm just saying, just simply saying that, yeah, it's not cool. And I have vacation days, and I have some days planned to take off, but I was supposed to be off this last Friday, but she wasn't there, so I couldn't take off. So don't really know what's gonna happen. Things are getting bad. They're getting bad. Let's go with the shade Embrace. I just want to do the lower lash line right now for some reason. But yeah, like when I get so stressed out, there are times where I like can't remember simple things because my brain is just so on overload, and I get to where I can't function, and it's getting to that point. And I was like talking to my husband yesterday, and I was like, I am absolutely, because we were going to go somewhere, but we had to go to a different way because there was like this festival in our town, and so we didn't want to drive through it because like people here will just run out in front of your car and they're ridiculous and crazy and whatever. So I was going the other way, but then I realized like I kind of blacked out, or didn't black out, but like I basically was not going. I went the other way, but I should have gone like another way or turned, and I didn't, and I got really upset because I'm like, I can't figure out how to get to where I want to go. Y'all, I've lived here my whole life. So yeah, if that gives you any indications to how bad things are for me and how my brain is just absolutely just shutting down because I'm just so overwhelmed with all the work that is dumped on me, and then all I'm expected to do is one person, and dealing with clients being angry and rude and obnoxious because they don't get their way, and just being screamed at and just expected to do all the things. It is literally, I want to say it's blanking me, but I can't say that word, but it's ending me, I guess maybe I could say. But yeah, they're bad. They're really, really bad. So that's just a little bit of what I deal with every day. Yeah. And then, yeah, it's not good. It's really, really, really stressful. Yeah. I don't know what to do. But anyway, I literally, speaking of my brain not functioning, like, here's the brush I'm looking for. Yeah, it's just, things are just not good for me right now. What shade do I want to go with? These shimmers, you guys, they are all phenomenal, I hope. Let me just, can you see how beautiful? Like, these are absolutely phenomenal shimmers. I don't know. Let's go with the shade Mist. And then Divine's kind of calling me as well, so maybe we'll kind of combine the two. But yeah, you guys, I am just like so overwhelmed and stressed out, and things are just really, really, really bad. And then, I don't know, I was like trying to explain to my husband, like, I'm not myself and it's all because of my job. And he's like, yeah, that place is literally taking everything from you. And he's like, you know, you used to do all this photography and stuff, and he's like, you don't do that anymore. And I'm like, yeah. And I don't know, I was just saying, like, I don't feel like I deserve anything, or I'm not worth it, or whatever. And he's like, well, that's your job, doing that to you. which it does. And yeah, I don't do anything really anymore. Like, I film my YouTube videos. I don't know, we went to the movies last night, but like, I used to do a lot of stuff, and I just am so overwhelmed mentally that I just can't do it anymore. And I love YouTube, but I've been even feeling like overwhelmed by this lately. I don't do shorts anymore because I don't have the energy. Like, when I get home from work, you guys, I am just done. Like, done. I can barely stay awake. I'm falling asleep on the couch. Like, I'm just, I mean, don't get me wrong. Like, I have a lot of other stuff I have to do. Like, I usually do laundry and then all kinds of stuff with Sophie to make sure she's doing good. And then my other dog and all that stuff. And there's a lot of other things that need to be done. So, like, I do run. But it just seems like way too hard to do anything that really, you know, beyond this, that makes me happy. It's just exhausting. Okay, I'm going to take that shade Divine, and I'm just going to put that in the center of each lid. But yeah, I don't know. My job is, okay, you can't really see that. Maybe you can. But yeah, like, my job is just, it's a lot. And I'm still looking for other things, but pay-wise, like, there's nothing out there. And in this economy and everything that's going on, like with my husband's work, like, we need every bit of my income. We really do. We're not like crazy, go out, blow a bunch of money, like, at all. We need my income. All right, now I'm going to take the shade Candid, and that's just going to be our little lower inner corner, maybe highlight, extra shimmer, or whatever. But yeah, so I am just, I guess what I'm getting at is if it takes me a while to like respond to things, it's just because mentally I am just gone. And I mean, I can kind of go through the motions, but like, as far as having energy to really do anything else, I don't have it. And I hate that because I miss doing things that make me happy. I miss my friends. Like, I miss so much, but like, I just literally don't have the energy to do it all. Like, I don't. All right, you guys, I'm gonna go do the mascara. Bing's already done, so I will be right back. All right, guys, so I'm back. We're gonna put on some of the Mandy makeup highlighter, Lightworker highlight in the shade Angel Baby. If you guys know, you know, I love these so much. So much. Like, these are absolutely phenomenal. All right. All right, now we're going to take Glam Light Rick and Morty setting spray. Whew. Okay. All right, you guys, so this is the finished look. I'm sorry if I'm going kind of fast. My neck the last couple of days has just been absolutely killing me. But yeah, this is the final look with the Alter Ego Daylight palette. Again, this is my dream. This is all I want in life. That's all it takes to make me happy. That right there. And then here's the inside of this palette. It is absolutely beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This will be another one with the Urban Decay Original Naked palette that I use all the time. I can see more glitter in my hair again. I just love it. I think in the video that just went up, I actually ended up putting some more glitter in my hair because it just looks so pretty, and I love the way it looks. But anyway, you guys, thank you all so much for watching this video, for struggling through my life with me. things have been really, I mean, my whole life has been rough, but like, it just seems like it keeps getting worse. But I just want to be honest, because I don't want to come on here and just act like my life is like perfect. Because if there's someone else out there struggling, like, I just want you to know you are not alone. You are not alone. I struggle to survive every day just to make it through with all the demons that I have to battle with my job, and then just all the stress and being constantly overwhelmed. Like, it's a lot. Like, it is not cool. I wish my life could be different, but it really can't. So it is what it is, and I do my best to fight the demons and survive every day. So just keeping it real here. It's what I do, you guys. Hoping, I don't know, I don't see things getting better, but hopefully maybe somehow there will be some miracle that happens. And I don't know, the only way I foresee things getting better is me getting out of my job, but like I said, financially, like, I can't do that. So I don't know. I don't know. Maybe there's some kind of miracle out there that I'm not seeing, or somehow something will happen that will project me into a different direction that will be better. But, yeah, anyway, I can hear my husband. He's out of the shower, so I gotta end this. Just remember that you're beautiful, you're loved, you're amazing. Have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, where you are, or wherever you are, and I'll see y'all in the next one.